Welcome to Chaos and Cryptography. Today is a very interesting topic. We'll see how to find the Lyapunov exponent of the logistic map. The bifurcation diagram of the logistic map has been explained in the previous video. And a more comprehensive explanation of the Lyapunov exponent is being given in a video of whose link is given in the description box below. I strongly recommend you to see that video before coming into the implementation of the Lyapunov exponent in this video. So coming to the topic, Lyapunov exponent of a dynamical system is a measure of the rate of separation of infinitesimally close trajectories. So it is a plot of R versus LE, where R is a control parameter of the logistic map and LE is the Lyapunov exponent. And we all know that the logistic map equation is x is equal to Rx into 1 minus x. So here we have the value of R, which is going to be plotted in the x-axis. R stores 20,000 values of the control parameter ranging from 1 to 4. LE will store the Lyapunov exponent values. And here we have the code for calculating the Lyapunov exponent. So this is performed for 20,000 times. So we begin with the initialization of x with a random value. Next, in order to avoid the transient effect, the first 100 values of x are ignored. This is the most important part of the coding. We calculate the value of x. Next, we find the first derivative of the logistic map. So we know the equation of logistic map is x is equal to Rx into 1 minus x. So to make it simple, we have Rx minus Rx square. So we have to find the first derivative of this equation, Rx minus Rx square. So by doing so, we have the answer R minus 2Rx. So R minus 2Rx is the first derivative of the equation x is equal to Rx into 1 minus x. Next, we find the absolute value of the first derivative. And finally, we find the logarithmic value of the absolute value. All these values are appended in result. Finally, the mean value is been calculated for 100 such values. This is repeated for each value of R. Finally, we plot R versus LE. Let's see the output. So here we have the beautiful diagram of the logistic map. Logistic map is one of the most important chaos detection techniques, which shows whether a dynamical system is chaotic or non-chaotic. So how do we determine if a dynamical system is chaotic or non-chaotic with the Lyapunov exponent diagram? So if it shows positive, then it is chaotic, or else it is non-chaotic. So here we see that from R equal to 1 to 3.5, it is negative, and beyond R greater than 3.5, the Lyapunov exponent is positive. Therefore, for R ranging from 1 to 3.5 or nearly 3.6, the logistic map is non-chaotic, and for control parameter range R greater than 3.6, the Lyapunov exponent is growing positive, and therefore it is chaotic only in this range. And another important feature which we see in this diagram are there are so many sharp dips. So what does these dips mean? So these dips show that the logistic map is undergoing bifurcation. So here we see that the first bifurcation is undergoing at r is equal to 2, and therefore, and again we see that there are so many smaller bifurcations. So this is the significance of plotting the Lyapunov exponent. This particular code can be used for any one-dimensional chaotic system. The only thing to be remembered is that we have to substitute the first derivative of that particular chaotic dynamical system in this part, and the same code can be applied to any one-dimensional chaotic system. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on chaos and cryptography.